Can you sleep on a sofa every night?
How tall should my couch legs be?
How do I get rid of
Does
a couch?
size matter when buying a couch?
How do you wash a large pool? Why do they call it a couch?
Welcome to CouchDotCom. I'm Alex, the founder and CEO. I've worked in every part of the furniture industry, from the warehouse to the showroom and everything in between. We wanted to create a platform that helps minimize the 1,000 variables that people have to consider when buying a new couch. From comfort to style to pricing and timing, it can be quite a challenge. We're turning couch shopping from something super tedious into something fun and interesting, kind of like what Richard Simmons did for exercise.
It's sweating time!
And we're offering some amazing tools and resources with unrivaled access to stores and brands both online and in your local area. And we're going to give you some awesome advice and tips and tricks from our team of industry experts and furniture nerds to answer all your top questions. All of these things we consider when buying a new couch and nobody knows the answers. Those questions and more will be answered here at CouchDotCom.